Indonesia, a world's paradise where land and water embrace in perfect harmony. Earth's bounty and aquatic riches flow from its embrace, nurturing life's vibrant tapestry. The world's fauna jewels find their sanctuary within these verdant realms. Nature's treasures generously strewn adorn the sacred soil. Here smiles bloom like fragrant orchids, and bonds of family echo through the ages. In every corner of the earth, Indonesia's spirit dances, an everlasting muse to all. And welcome to the Indonesian Official, with me Sastro at Mojo.
Balinese. Balinese people, residents of Indonesia's Bali island, possess a vibrant culture and distinctive qualities. Here are 10 notable traits often associated with them. Balinese individuals are recognized for their unwavering commitment to the Hindu faith, with religious rituals and ceremonies being integral aspects of their daily lives. Bali is celebrated for its indigenous performing arts, encompassing renowned dances like Legong, Barong, and Kecak, as well as the harmonious sounds of gamelan orchestras. The native Balinese language, although Bahasa Indonesia is prevalent, is steeped in cultural significance and distinguished by its elaborate levels of honorifics.
Dan putri Indonesia mengaku bertumpah darah yang satu, tanah Indonesia. Dua. Kami putra dan putri Indonesia mengaku berbangsa yang satu, bangsa Indonesia. Tiga. Kami putra dan putri Indonesia menjunjung bahasa persatuan, bahasa Indonesia.
Balinese people extend gracious and polite hospitality, welcoming visitors and guests with genuine friendliness. The core principle of mutual assistance, known as gotong royong, forms an integral part of Balinese society, uniting individuals in communal endeavors. Close-knit families and communities are the bedrock of Balinese life, fostering robust social connections and reinforcing cultural values. Wood carving, sculpture, and painting flourish in Balinese culture, often featuring depictions of deities and mythical figures adorning temples and homes. Regular offering ceremonies are conducted by Balinese people to honor deities and ancestors, encompassing acts of worship, dance, and the presentation of food. Bali's village leadership system, led by village heads and traditional leaders, plays a pivotal role in upholding order and preserving age-old traditions. Bali's status as a global tourist hotspot has made tourism a primary source of livelihood for many Balinese. Interactions with visitors from diverse backgrounds are common. It's important to acknowledge that the attributes of Balinese individuals can vary based on educational, occupational, and geographical factors. Nevertheless, Bali's rich cultural heritage and enduring values remain central to their way of life.
How's it going? Are you intrigued by Indonesia encompassing its landscapes, culture, cuisine, people's traits, natural splendor, environmental richness, and contemplating relocating and residing there? Continue following this channel and contribute to the growth of the official Indonesian channel by liking, providing constructive comments, and sharing it with your dear ones. Indonesia is indeed an earthly paradise. I'm Sastro at Moyo. Goodbye.